Yeah, it's really deep. Hey, watch it. Henry. Wow, you can tell that it, like, because of the rain, because it was raining last night, underneath it's all sludgy. Probably took a lot for it to stick. Watch out. Camera.
Watch out, Snowball.
No. He's out on the road on the go-kart.
Is he really?
Yeah.